G'day folks, welcome back. Just bringing you along in this video. What I'm going to do is harvest my sweet potatoes. One, see if I got any sweet potato in my grow bed. Two, see if I got any sweet potato in my container I had alongside the grow bed. So I thought I'd bring you along and show you what happens. Heads up, I wasn't expecting to get any potatoes out of my lava rock grow bed, but as you'll see, I got some potatoes out of there as well. Alright folks, let's get to it and let's get these grow beds and see how many potatoes I've got. Okay, this is my sweet potato I had in this season. That's the one there. I'm gonna pull it out and see if I actually got any potatoes. What I did is this grow bed here, I put the slip in the corner of the grow bed and then grew out two slips into vegetable potting mix without watering the vegetable potting mix and just letting the slip get its water from the grow bed. So what I'm going to do is set up the camera and see what becomes of this. So hopefully there's something in there. If not, I'll try again next year. just as I suspected. No potatoes, but I sort of suspected that because it didn't actually flower. So, back to the drawing board. So this is the last grow bed I'm going to move back towards the fence, clean out and plant some peas and beans in today. Sweet potato was a big failure. I didn't get any, but I sort of suspected that because it didn't flower. So this bed I'm going to empty the stone out and move it back, and it will end up basically like those beds there. And once I've done that, I've reached halfway in building my system, so I'll get to it and get back to you. So that's what I got out of my grow bed with lava rock in it, surprisingly. The grow bed that I had them in didn't work, and obviously they decided to grow in the lava rock, so I'm quite surprised that I've got such reasonable sized ones in the lava rock. So there you go, folks. Apparently you can grow sweet potato in lava rock. So I hope everyone is having a good day, and if you like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button and bell, and YouTube will let you know when I upload another video. If you like what I'm doing, hit the like button. So folks, hope everyone's having a good day, and I shall catch you later.